The difference between turn to, turn over, and turn around. Let's find out. Turn to means to face a direction or a person. It means to move your body or attention towards someone or something. Let's understand this with the help of examples. When teacher entered, all students turned to look at her. At the bus stop, everyone turned to see who was singing. Turn to also means to seek help, advice, or support from someone. Means to rely on someone in a situation of need. For example, when I get confused in grammar, I always turn to my teacher. Many students turn to YouTube for last-minute exam preparation. It also means to start doing something new, which means to shift from one activity or option to another. For example, after failing NEET exam, Rohan turned to UPSC preparation. Jobless graduates often turn to freelancing. Turn to also means go to a page or book, meaning to open a particular page in a book or a passage and start reading. While reading, I directly turn to the last page to read the summary. During the exam, the teacher asked us to turn to the reading section. Turnover means to flip something. It means change side or surface. For example, I turned over my shirt so I could press on the other side. In the class, the teacher said, turn over your paper and start section B. Turnover also means to hand something to authority or another person. Example, the lost mobile phone was turned over to the school officer by a student. During the exam, the cheating chits were caught and turned over to the invigilator. Now, turnover also means business or money, means generate revenue. For example, that small momo shop outside of our college turns over thousands of rupees every week. During Diwali, shops turn over lakhs of rupees within a few days. Coaching institutes in Delhi turns over crores of rupees every month. Pause. Turn around. Turn around means to rotate or face the opposite direction. For example, I turned around to see who was behind me. In the class, the teacher said, don't turn around, focus on your paper. Turn around also means to improve or change a bad situation into a good one. One good over from the bowler completely turned the match around. The annual function of the college was going badly, but the anchor's jokes turned it around.